All proper, welcome back to the Covering Rough Market channel, to the XRP community. You men understand what time it's miles. We're going to be studying the fee of XRP, see what's occurring and of direction, what we could be anticipating going into Monday morning. We're starting off a modern week. Bitcoin is looking great as of now, so is XRP. So take a seat lower back, loosen up and revel in the display. I'm certain, in case you're searching at the each day time from, you guys are likely scratching your head, wondering what precisely is exciting about this. However, let me show you men that at the hourly time from the market, it's in reality selecting up traction proper now. That is certainly fine to peer of path. And you don't need to share the price of greater pay, give you men a little bit of visuals. We're going to talk about how right the price is presently searching and what we will be awaiting, obviously, going into this trendy week. But earlier than we do this, as constantly only a quick disclaimer, something in this channel is not monetary advice. Always do your very own due diligence and research while you are making an investment in crypto. So here we are, the charge of XRP selecting up traction, and it is choosing up traction honestly rapid from the retracement that we did see Sunday. The rate is trending at $1.52, up 5.1% in USD, also up 5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $86.4 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $14 billion. Amazing to peer, you are looking at matters picking up again. And I think we're about to look surprisingly high, which I've been speaking approximately during the last 48 hours in this upcoming, you realize, week. And I will not even be amazed if we do see XRP hitting strangely excessive inside the following few hours. And again, I will explain why I think that. You understand we will come return to the fee. Let's form a pass over what's taking place. And you realize I couldn't agree greater with this GIF right here. Shattered Crypto Inside UK for posting this, searching out all of the XRP haters in my comment section now, because of course proper now the charge of XRP is picking up. Yesterday we did see that retracement because of Bitcoin. And consider Bitcoin past that we did see the day past. Of direction now, we're glaringly beyond middle of the night. We did see that retracement, which induced the overall marketplace to react to it along with XRP. And whilst XRP went to the likes of that $1.26, retest such a lot of poor comments coming in. Oh, what's occurring with XRP, this and that. And right here we are again at it above the $1.52. And I could not agree with this present grader. You recognize in which of the haters at. Nowhere proper, they're nowhere going to be seen. But yeah, let's move forward to actually apprehend what's happening. So that isn't thrilling news. So Hong Kong's biggest virtual financial institution launches retail crypto buying and selling. Retail customers in Hong Kong can now buy Bitcoin and Ethereum via Us.Thankx. However, they want an account and to undergo our threat evaluation first. And the risk assessment component, sincerely, is with a variety of fiat gateways. But is this a threat to completely shift the way banks treat the crypto industry, mainly in the US? That is what quite a few humans are waiting for. And I suppose beneath the Trump management, we're about to look a little bit of less strictness closer to crypto, in particular from the top banks. So yeah, it truly is that a path, however, allows flow forward. This is surely exciting, and I'm type of shared my non-public opinion on this present day unit. We from chat, shout out to speak. So I'm attempting to reveal you the way little money is wanted to transport the fee of XRP order books matter. Velocity of money matters right here. We flipped to $1 million of outflows of money in 15 minutes, and it drops the XRP charge from $1.42 to $1. I'm sorry, $1.45 to $1.42. Tell me what takes place. I'm sorry, inform me what takes place. I'm sorry, inform me what the market cap of XRP is in line with 0.03 cents. You realize quite an exciting take in my view. Market cap, for my part, doesn't depend. However, I understand the order books of direction are the initial aspect that obviously takes the charge up or down. And lately we have seen good-sized quantity of interest coming from retail. You understand for XRP, and you already know what a simply interesting element is in terms of the XRP viewpoint, a variety of massive centralized exchanges clearly stopped. You realize allowing users to shop for XRP, because you know. They simply crashed the system due to a lot demand, which they were no longer capable of, obviously fulfill at one point, which a path you recognize crashes a device. But right now, I did notice one tweet coming in announcing, oh, well, XRP. There is slightly any XRP that Binance holds. I hope you guys apprehend Binance holds a big chunk of XRP. I suppose they were just having some technical difficulties due to the fact a variety of stress straight away coming from manifestly one pair, which a path is for XRP, which you can go back form of lag the general system. But you realize we are approximately to witness something that now not a whole lot of people are looking ahead to, and the charge itself, the way it is currently preserving, you already know, confirms that for me specifically. And I've been indicating that I'm going to obviously shed a little bit extra mild on that a bit in a while, but allows pass over what Smoke has to mention. So you can see this for yourself. Yes, a fee cyber assault should cost across the world $3 trillion. The risk of cyber assault is so high that it's the maximum mentioned threat and Bank of England systematic chance survey. And you may see this for yourself. Bill B says something quite interesting. So manifestly, the entire landscape is moving, and we can simply see how superb the blockchain technology and decentralization really is toward the world, and from having these styles of cyber attacks. But let me understand your non-public thoughts down below concerning that. Let's take a look at the price. So in case you're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, a direction, you already know we're sitting underneath 60% proper now. We did see a wick as much as that 59.61%. However, you realize made its way back down to the 59.029.02%, searching exact. As some distances you realize the dominance is worried, and as far as altcoins are worried, you want to see the dominance, you understand, sitting the way it's far. Bitcoin alternatively is making its way lower back up. And I did indicate that during some of my other updates, and a Bitcoin is ready to start heading in the direction of all-time highs. Obviously at the weekend, CME futures are closed, greater manipulation than usual. It does not wonder me that we did see a $95,684 retest to shake out a number of the longs and the shorts that have been piling up. And it is exactly what occurred due to the fact right here where we saw a retracement, and you could simply see actually the price that Bitcoin is selecting up in which it left off of. And I think the next day morning when you guys were looking this replace, we may want to doubtlessly be already above this key resistance. I'm sorry, not this key resistance. We will be retesting the all-time excessive, which we set for ourselves back on November 22nd, but Bitcoin's looking extremely good. And now for moving closer to the XRP charge. I'm sure no one is hearing phrases of that we're here the day prior to this commenting that the price of XRP is falling. I'm certain they're completely in awe and speechless at the truth that the rate of XRP is able to claim again above 100, no longer 100, a greenback 50. You know pretty fast, and again, I'm going to display you guys on the hourly and the weekly time frame. Should definitely make you men understand how right this chart's looking. You men recognize we preserve it 100% impartial on this channel. And here we are, men. Look at this for yourself. I understand I spoke approximately this earlier the previous day. However, I realized no longer quite a few human beings watched that replace, but here we retested so of direction once more. I want to highlight the significance of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops, everything's going to react to that. And of path, if we are searching at our proper old friend XRP reacted to that Bitcoin pullback, and we notice Bitcoin fee literally contact, I'm sorry now, not Bitcoin. We noticed XRP charge retest literally on the neckline of the 226, which become our resistance that we have been speaking approximately on a consistent basis. Obviously back on November 16th, we retested it, noticed a rejection, and then glaringly broke out of here for the primary time in about 3 years. And manifestly, we know what befell the relaxation is history. But nowadays, you recognize, whilst Bitcoin noticed a retracement, we did see XRP retesting, and that genuine identical resistance performed out as a stage of support. So of root, you already know, while this occurred, a whole lot of panic started out occurring. A lot of haters commenting on XRP's rate, completely forgetting the reality that you already know XRP has long gone up over 200% in only the closing weeks. And right here where, you know, the momentum speaks for itself. And from that price point itself, if you had some purchase orders located in, you are up proper now 22.58% in just a count of a few hours. And you're looking on the charge of XRP looking to break toward the upside. And we are facing a few resistance around, particularly the $1.53